Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mobile Mastery Hacks. Today I am gonna show you how to turn off or remove to ask family members to permissions on App Store to download apps. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, what you need to do, open your settings here. From here, tap on Apple ID panel. From here you have to tap on family sharing. Click on the family sharing option from here. When you tap on this, you will have to see this tab of interface. Because I have already created my family, so I have just blurred it because of my family sharing data here. So you are seeing your family members here like this. What you do is, if you want to remove all of them, then you have to do one by one. Just simply select one from here, then after that this type of interface. From here this type to again enable it, ask to buy, as to buy. Then again, if to remove or turn off another family member, then another click here and then go back, you will see this type of error. Then again to enable ask to buy. Okay guys, and if you want to delete all of them, then you can't do it, because you have to do it single by single. You have to select it and then ask to buy and then enable it. So thanks for watching my video. If you really helpful, then please subscribe, like and comment especially. Thank you.